Mountain Dew. Okay, so anyway, a lot has been done. I get more done when I don't sit and video it. But that is the Titanic. It's dead. And I would feel more happy if I went over here and got the wheels on this thing as fast as I could. So I did. And got the new transmission in it. It's a 6-speed. Turns out it is a Spicer, not a Peerless, but it'll work for now. No, I'm not going to pulley swap it just yet. I want to get the thing running and driving first. Couple things I'm noticing. I got the spacers on the transaxle, but this gear shifter rubs, and I don't know once I get it lined up how bad that's going to rub. So I may have to pull that out and put a gear shifter in the floor to solve that problem, because yeah, I'm not going to downsize my wheels here, and that's really rubbing. So I have to switch to a gear shifter in the floor like the Custom Craftsman, and there's no wiring on it. I don't need no wiring but a kill switch, and later on I may wire up some headlights. The front end, it's a little hard to turn the wheels, but that's probably because they're not oiled, and they are off. Let's see here, turn it back some. Yeah, it's kind of hard to turn that steering wheel. I'm not sure why, but that wheel is off just a little bit, and gonna have to fix that, take that tie rod off or whatever, and I think I got a couple more where I don't even have to bend that one out. But that's good, you know, cast iron front end. This front end never moved. This one does, so it will be able to go over rocks better and whatever. I need to cut the body so it'll sit on there, and if I'm going to put the shifter in the floor, I need to cut that out anyway. So, but I got 2nd gen steering and a good solid frame. I mean, it's solid. Look at back here, it's all the way solid across, and not this just running 2 bars down the side. And plus this is all rusted out and the frame is bent again. So I should have replaced it a year ago. I didn't have a frame at the time anyway, but now I do, and it's coming along really good. I got an idea for the hood, since these Craftsmans are different from the Murrays. I figured I'll come along and mount this to this instead of, you know, having a bracket all the way out here. The hood would be too short, so I'd probably pull it back further so I would be able to mount the new, or mount the hood onto it, because I don't want to get rid of my hood. I really like that hood. I mean, it's garbage. You couldn't put it on nothing else to sell it, or couldn't put it on nothing, you know, you couldn't be able to sell it or whatever. It's garbage, but it's my garbage. So, well, that's an update. I need to get the motor off, put it on here. I may quit for the night, and I don't know if I'm going to use that belt. The belt does look a little dry rotted. It is tight, but it's dry rotted, so I may go with a different belt. Alright, bye.